watching Built By with myself, Alex, and today we're going to install this lining set. Now, you've seen me assemble the lining on the last episode, and today we're going to install it. So, tools at the ready, fingers steady, let's get to it. Okay, so first things first, we've got our lining in the structural opening. We're going to get our 2 foot level to level the head, and the reason for that is if we're sitting our lining directly onto our floor, if the floor's out of level, then the legs will follow suit. So get your 2 foot level, sit in up under the head and check which way. Now this level is showing that this leg needs to be brought up slightly on the bottom. So we get our packers, pack the leg and get that head spot on level. Right, so now that our head is level, the next thing we got level is the lining leg. So this is our hanging side where we're going to be swinging the door from. So we'll concentrate on this leg first, get this nice and secure before doing the receiving side. Okay, so now we've leveled the head, nice and level, and put the leg, the hanging side, into plumb. We can now measure and fix the opposite side. Now we haven't got the door to swing, but what we can do to make sure this is nice and parallel and equal margins down for when we swing our door, get our tape measure, measure the top, that is our governed size. Measure between where our fixing points are. So each section, make sure that their measurements on your fixing points are the same as across the top of your head. So when we swing our door, it should be minimal packing or adjustment for the linings to match our fitting gaps of the edges and across the top of the door itself. Alright, so our lining is in, it's fixed, secured, packed, plumb, level, ready to receive our door. But that'll be on another episode. But for now, you've been watching Built By with myself, Alex, and I will catch you on the next project.